Welcome to Sports Story in 5. Today I'm going to do a key cases roundup from the Court of Arbitration for Sport over the last 2 or 3 months. Now the first case I'm going to look at is from the 4th of October. Now this is the Maria Sharapova appeal. So in this matter, the court originally found that Sharapova had committed an anti-doping rule violation. And this was on the basis that she tested positive for a substance called meldonium. Meldonium basically increases the blood flow as well as increasing the flow of oxygen in the body, thereby enhancing performance. Now this was placed on the banned substance list by WADA on the 1st of January 2016. Sharapova subsequently acknowledged that for years she'd been taking meldonium in the form of tablets as prescribed by her doctor. As a result, her 2016 Australian Open results were deemed void and she was ruled ineligible for competition for 2 years. However, on appeal, she had her ban reduced to 15 months starting from the 15th of January 2016, because she successfully argued that she'd not taken the substance to increase her performance. And under the International Tennis Federation rules, ineligible bans can be reduced if it is found that there has been no significant fault on behalf of the athletes. The second case I'm going to look at is from the 13th of October. This is the Russian race walker ruling. So 5 Russian race walkers, and I can't pronounce their names, so I'm not going to try, all tested positive for EPO in June 2015. Brief reminder of what EPO is, with the caveat that it is a slight oversimplification. Essentially, it stimulates the creation of red blood cells, enabling the production of more oxygen and thereby improving an athlete's performance. So all 5 of these Russian race walkers were found to have violated rules 32.1 and 32.2 of the International Athletics Federation. So that's the IAAF. Now, all the walkers were given 4-year bans from July 2016, and all the results between the dates of their positive tests and the start of their bans were declared void. The case was submitted to the Court of Arbitration for Sport, who ruled that the award was appropriate and that the evidence suggested the doping was purely intentional, and there was no basis for any alternative source for the EPO found in the urine samples. Third and final case I'm going to look at is from the 26th of October, and this is in relation to a runner from Kenya. So the Court of Arbitration ruled on an arbitration between the IAAF, Athletics Kenya, and the Kenyan runner Rita Jeptoo. In October 2014, after running the Boston Marathon, Ms. Jeptoo failed a drugs test and EPO was found in a sample she had given from September 2014. Athletics Kenya, after an investigation, gave her a 2-year ban from competition. The IAAF subsequently appealed this decision by Athletics Kenya on the basis that they wanted a longer ban. They wanted a 4-year ban. Now, in circumstances like this, a 2-year ban is the minimum ban that can be imposed. However, if there are aggravating circumstances, then this ban can be increased to 4 years. So the panel of arbitrators at the Court of Arbitration for Sport decided that the athlete had used EPO over an extended period of time, and also that it was given to her by doctor's injection. She had a long relationship with this doctor, and she hid her visits from the doctor, hid her visits to the doctor from her manager, and she was deceptive and obstructive throughout the proceedings. These circumstances were indeed deemed aggravating circumstances, which allowed the athlete to be banned from competition for 4 years from the 30th of October 2014. In addition to that, all results from the 17th of April 2014 up to the date of her ban were deemed void, and all the relevant prize money she'd earned had to be forfeited. So that's it for my roundup, my awesome roundup from the Court of Arbitration for Sport. If you want to know more about the Court of Arbitration for Sport, please see my overview video on my YouTube channel, which details some of the procedure. Also, the Court of Arbitration for Sport website is very useful. Thanks very much for watching.